In the ancient jungle, a dispute arose between the birds and the monkeys over who could claim a towering tree as their rightful home. The birds argued they could build nests in its branches, while the monkeys claimed the tree's hollow trunk was ideal for shelter. Unable to resolve the conflict, the wise old owl proposed a solution. They would share the tree, with the birds inhabiting the branches by day and the monkeys the trunk by night. This compromise taught them the value of cooperation and harmony, illustrating that sometimes, peaceful coexistence is the best way to resolve differences in the animal kingdom. The moral of the story, The Birds and the Monkeys, is the importance of cooperation and peaceful coexistence in resolving conflicts. By sharing the tree and alternating its use between the birds and the monkeys, the animals learn that compromise and harmony are essential for maintaining a peaceful and functional community. This fable teaches us that finding common ground and working together can lead to mutually beneficial solutions, fostering understanding and unity even among those with differing needs and interests.